We all know that magic is born from imagination, but have we ever considered that imagination itself is a kind of magic? It enables us to envision what the world has yet to see. Imagination is the driving force behind the advancements of yesterday, today, and tomorrow. From flying across continents to self-driving cars and cashierless stores, every innovation begins as a vision. Speaking of stores without shopkeepers, vending machines are a perfect example. In this video, we will explore the structure and working of a simple, user-friendly fresh juice vending machine. To build this vending machine, we primarily used an ESP32 development board, an ultrasonic sensor, a relay, a pump, and a DWIN touch display. Both the display and the processor have been programmed for an intuitive, user-friendly experience while ensuring robust system monitoring. Initially, we can see that the system displays only one reading in the ThinkSpeak channel. The user selects the drink by pressing a button and choosing the quantity. While the juice is being dispensed, a dispensing message is shown on the display. Once the filling is complete, a cool forever message appears indicating that the drink is ready to be collected. After a 5 seconds delay, the system returns to the initial state. The availability status is updated first on the display, then on the ThinkSpeak. This process continues for each customer until the juice level falls below the threshold of 20%. At this point, an alert message is displayed on both the vending machine screen and the ThinkSpeak channel, notifying the remote owner that a refill is needed. In conclusion, this fresh juice vending machine is a perfect example of how imagination fuels innovation. By combining technology with creativity, we have transformed a simple idea into a smart, user-friendly system. For automated dispensing to real-time monitoring, this project demonstrates how imagination drives the future of convenience and efficiency.